So this is our second category of the verb. What happened in this category? You can see the verb danken, to thank, when we thank someone. Helfen, to help. Gehören, to belong, something belongs to me, my father. Es geht, when we say I am, you feel about. Well-being, you tell about your well-being. It's a structure, well-being. I am good, I am fine. And assist, again, you feel something. How are you feeling? Cold, feeling hot? So this is also dative structure. There are also some other verbs and some other structure in this category, but we use them here. So what happens here? One subject and one object. One subject and one object. Only two things. I thank you is danke dir. That's it. Is danke dish is wrong. Is danke dir. Because danken I am using dative verb. So dish is wrong. Here only one per subject and one object. If you compare to the previous category which has two objects where person is dative. But here is danke dir. I thank you. Er hilft mir. He helps me. Dative. Er hilft mir. Again. So this is subject, this is object. This is subject, this is object. Subject and object. Only one person, one object. Gehören. Das Auto gehört meinem Vater. Possessive is also used. Das Auto gehört meinem Vater. Das Auto gehört meinem Vater. The car belongs to my father. Here meinem Vater, dative. Es geht, we say, wie geht's? Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. We don't say ich bin gut, wrong. Es geht mir gut. Es geht dir. Es geht ihr. Okay? And then when we explain, like we say, oh, I am feeling very warm today. The weather is very warm, very hot. So how do you say I am feeling warm? Es ist mir warm. Es ist mir heiß. Or if it's cold, es ist mir kalt. So when we talk about the feeling, es ist mir heiß. Or es ist mir kalt. So here dative. Es ist mir. It is me means es ist mir. It is me means I am feeling. When we see here, I mentioned when we talk about the feeling, I feel. This is for well-being. Like how are you? This is belonging. This is help and thank. I am feeling warm. Es ist mir heiß. Das Wetter ist sehr heiß. Es ist mir warm. Es ist mir sehr heiß. Ich fühle mich warm. Ich fühle mich heiß. Another word. So this is second category. Right? With one subject, one object. Note down these things. Very, very important for you. In the previously, okay, we have seen in the last slide one subject with two objects, but this is one subject, one object. We can use dative article, we can use dative pronoun, we can use possessive article, anything is possible. All right. There is verb wehtun. I don't know if most of you know. Wehtun means to get hurt. This verb we use basically when we talk about any problem, like in our body. Körperteile we use with body parts. Like I say, es tut mir weh means it hurts me. Es tut mir weh. it hurts me, Dative. Es tut ihm weh, it hurts him. Es tut dem Kind weh, it hurts the child. So this is the sentence. It hurts someone. It hurts me, it hurts him, it hurts the child. And the question is, wem tut weh? Wem tut es weh? Whom does it hurt? Whom does it hurt? The verb is weh tun. So weh is last place, tut we conjugate. Wem means whom. Dative, so wem. So answer is mir. I am getting hurt. So not ish, mir, dative, mir, es tut mir weh. Or mir tut es weh. We can also use this, okay, this phrase, this is very good structure, okay, you must learn this. We'll see, like, I can write mir tut der Kopf weh, sometimes headache, mir tut der Kopf weh. So, der Kopf, body part, this is person, whom is hurting? Me, the person is dative. Body parts is nominative. Body part is nominative. So this is the combination of dative plus nominative. This you need to understand. Mir tut der Kopf weh. Mir tut die Nase weh. Mir tut die Hand weh. Body part nominative. But you know this verb tut is conjugated according to the body part, not with the person. If I say finger, 2-3 fingers are paining. So mir tun die Finger weh, because finger is plural. A body part is singular, tut. A body part is plural, tun. Mir tun die Finger. The tun is because of finger is plural. Mir tun die Finger weh, or der Frau tun die Finger weh, means the woman is having finger pain. Okay, der Frau, dative, mir, dative. So the person is always here, dative. So what we have seen, what is the conclusion of all these dative verbs? That person is always dative, which is known as indirect object, or in other words, person is always dative. Here instead of object, we are using body part. This is very special structure, weh tun. We use in some other context also, but this context is primarily used with body parts. Weh tun, getting hurt. Some part of the body is getting hurt. Only part, not organ. Body part, not organ, lungs, kidney, no, heart, no, only body parts. You know, difference between parts and body parts and organ. I hope most of doctors and people from medical profession understand this thing, difference between organ and part. So this is basically for body parts. So der Frau tun die Finger weh, dem Mann tun die Finger weh, den Kindern tun die Finger weh. We can change it. For this you can learn first body parts, which is available in my video. You can just search on the channel body parts Körper Teile. You will see body parts video, different disease, different ailments, and the solution for that. I have made videos for that, different disease names. Okay. So this is our second category of the verb that I am talking about, which is related with the one subject and one object. One subject and one object. Like we have seen the verb gehören means belong, something belong. I say the house. This house is very beautiful. Das Haus gehört mir. This house belongs to me. So I belong the house. Or if I say the jeans, also some clothes, die Jeans gehören mir. So here jeans is plural. That's why gehören, verb, infinitive. So here we are conjugating the verb with the object, not with the person. Normally we say ich heiße, ich spiele, spielt. Normally in sentence we conjugate the verb with subject, means person. But here in this category we are conjugated the verb with the objects. House singular, so gehört. Jeans plural, so gehören. So this is the category that you need to identify. The jeans gehören mir. Similarly, all the plural noun we take gehören. Another verb comes under this category, stehen. Stehen means to stand, but here stehen we are using dative. But like I say, okay, this color suits you. Die Farbe steht dir gut. You see, sometimes you buy a new dress and that color suits you very well. People say, oh, diese Farbe steht dir gut. Diese Farbe steht dir gut. Die Farbe steht dir means the color suits you. Steht means suit. It suits you. It suits your personality. Die Farbe steht dir gut. So stehen. Similarly, passen. Passen. I will explain just a minimum. Passen. Passen. Again, we can use their job passt mir. Here we write some article, we need to check whether we use so or not. I am just confused a little bit. Job passt mir, suits me. Or das Kleid, this dress. Das Kleid passt mir. Same concept. Suits me. So object, das Kleid, and the verb, this suits me, person. Dative, object. Nominative. So this is again combination of nominative plus dative. This is the different category that we learned previously. Now understand this category. Nominative plus dative structure. There is no accusative. No role of accusative is required. No role is visible here. So these are the structures. There are some other verbs, some other structures in this category, but these are primarily that I wanted to tell you. Passen, gehören, stehen, wehtun. So what we have seen all, just summarize. Wehtun, separable. Passen, suits. Stehen, again suit something. Gehören. Es geht, or if you feel something warm and hot, assist. So nominative, dative. So here we need only two things, nominative plus dative. Nominative is object, Sache, and dative is always Person. So we can summarize here. But verb is conjugated according to nominative, okay, not with dative, not with person. Verb is conjugated with Sachen, things. Thing is singular, verb singular. Thing is plural, verb plural, infinitive. That's all in this concept. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like, subscribe the channel for live classes. There are also regular live classes on the channel, so you can participate in that. There's a live talk, speaking practice. You can participate in that. So please follow me on Telegram channel, link is below. If you want to participate in speaking practice live, free. That is free for everyone. Just click the link and keep an eye of the next live class, speaking practice. I will update on Telegram group. Thank you so much. Auf Wiedersehen.